Hello, welcome once again to our channel. Today's video is about the first stage of the plumbing work. Here we are in the master's bathroom. The pipes for the cold and hot water is being laid perfectly for the water basin and for the showers as well as the water heater. The same pipes are being laid through for the other washroom as well as the toilet. This is a separate washroom. Here we are in the kitchen. You can see how the pipes are laid perfectly. That's the pipe for the water heater. The pipes are plastered with cement into the walls nicely. In the master's bathroom, you can see the pipe for the toilet, the bidet, and the water basin. You can see how electrical conduit boxes are being fitted perfectly into the walls. There's a multiple sockets in the kitchen. There's a switch for the water heater. There's another multiple socket, a light switch. There's a light switch. Each room has got a separate switch for the ceiling fan and the sidebed lights and the AC switch, so you can see the conduit boxes rightly fitted into the walls. Each room has got a TV socket as well. The electrician did a very good job. You can see how it is rightly fitted. The sockets plug in for the TV, the AC switch, the multiple sockets for the plugins. Here we are in the living area and the dining area. There's a multiple socket, a TV socket. This is the main switch for the electrical works. This is a separate toilet and bath. This is a light switch for the corridors, another light switch, and this is a socket plug-in. You can use this socket for barbering. Here we are in the master's bedroom. There's another light switch, the AC switch, other multiple sockets and plugins, and the TV and socket, a side bed light together with a ceiling fan switch. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this video.